Hi, this is Jagnes. In this video, I am going to show you how to effectively add the hashtag on your YouTube video. Today's all social media trends based on the user keywords. This keyword uses the hashtag. The hashtag is nothing but keyword, but it should be added without space and start with hash. Like this. If you would like to display your video to YouTube search result, then you need to add the main keyword to title and description. After description, you need to add the hashtag. It will be helpful to your video go to viral, but you have to make unique and quality content of the video. You have to follow the most important tricks to improve your video search result, such as maximum 3 hashtag uses per video. Don't make it lengthy keyword, it should be maximum 3 words. Use the core content of your keyword as a hashtag. Don't add the irrelevant keyword. This will be really make it your video as spam. Don't add the hashtag on YouTube default tags area. For example, you can go to edit. Here you need to add only the keywords. Don't use the hashtag here. If you follow the rule, your video will be perfectly displayed on the YouTube search result. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like to more technology video, subscribe this channel.